Hi guys, today I bring you the Raptor pod. It's a machine laser cut stainless steel pod to put on the top of your cockpit. It can hold 4 gauges. You can choose between battery level, water temperature, oil temperature, pressure, whatever. I'm gonna place it in my Defender. Let's go and let's put this together. The Raptor pod comes complete with the fixing screws and instruction manual to fit it in the car. I have here 4 new gauges to install: oil pressure, oil temperature, turbo boost, and also the battery level. This pod is available in the Raptor website with the different configurations. Either the cuts can be made to put gauges, sockets, holes, switches you can choose from, and also colors, either silver and black. You can customize this pod to whatever your needs. I'm going to start by disassembling the front, so it's going to be easier to fit all the gauges. I have already set up here this pod in plastic with these 4 gauges. I will start by removing the pod, taking all the connections out so that I can install the new Raptor one to make it fit with the Raptor console. I have removed my old pod with the old gauges. I have rewired everything, so sorry for the mess. I'm gonna get over it in a while, but it's gonna take some time, but okay, it's part of the job. What I have to do first of all, this pod, these wires, and this gauges right here, I got them all here. I will pass each and every gauge inside the pod. The first one needs to go in like this, needs to go in also like this, goes in like this, and the last one goes in like this. It's good. What we need to do next, so we got this metal bar here, and this metal bar will hold the pod. First of all, put the first one here, and try to screw it. This piece here, and then the other one there. Okay, I think it worked out. Now I have another screw here, microphone cable and GPS, all good over there, and I'm gonna fix it now. I'm gonna tighten a little bit more this so that it sits in place flushed with the cockpit. Once again, you don't need to over tighten. It's sturdy and doesn't move at all. So now, the front bezel. Panels need to be installed here, so I'm gonna do it one by one. Now fix it and plug the cable back again. Okay, second one, plugging back the cable. Third one now, and turbo gauge connects here, and the last one Oil pressure is on. Before we put everything back, let's see if it's working. All good. I have wired already my microphone. I can put all the cables inside and start assembling the panel. It's done. Looks way better than it was, to be honest. Pretty glad with the result. I'm gonna assemble this back and show you how it looks like. Showing you the final result. The Raptor pod is installed, looking great. I just have a little problem with the oil pressure gauge, is pointing to 100 psi, so I need to figure out where it is. Rather than that, I'm really enjoying the stainless steel look, together with the Raptor dashboard, with the Raptor binnacle over there, and with the Raptor trim panels. It makes the car look much more nicer. Thanks for watching.